Hello, ladies! Have you ever thought about founding your own business? Sure you have. Why didn't you do it? Because of the most important part and the most asked question, where do I start? In this video, I want to share with you how to start when you want to found your own business. Because this is a very tricky part, and if you do this wrongly, your motivation stops. There could not be a weirder assumption about how to start. I heard the weirdest things. You should first go and register it in legal authorities. Wrong. You should first do a market research and see what's not out there. Wrong. You should first take care of the money for your business. Wrong. Let me tell you what the actual first step is when founding a business and how to actually start. So, you have to first think of the idea. No business happens or takes place without the idea, and unlike every other girl on this planet, your idea doesn't have to be unique. What it actually makes unique is how you gonna position it. So whenever you tell your friends about your idea and your friends come up and say, oh my god, this already exists and this is nothing new, I wouldn't do that. Tell them, or better, don't even tell them. Because one of the biggest things that I believe in is I don't share anything unless it's done. Because people can ruin your dreams and your plans, even partners, even family. So I keep a secret until I have something in my hand that is legit. Because let's be honest, the opinions of others don't actually count. So going back to our topic, how to start a business. You have to have the idea. Now, most of you ask, how do I get to that idea? Well, how everything in life, you already have it in you. You just need to ignite it. How you ignite it is another question. So what you first do is write down all your strengths. And what I'm talking about is not your strength as in an interview. I'm flexible, I'm a team player, I'm punctual, whatever. No, what I am talking about is your actual strength. Can't you, whenever you worked, for instance, 12 years in a marketing department or 6 years as a teacher, say in the end that this is your actual strength? For instance, and this is a funny anecdote, I've been doing my eyeliner for 4 years blind while I was driving, and it was on fleek. This is one of my strengths. Why? Because I've been practicing it day in, day out for 4 years straight. So actually, unlike everyone else in this society, strength is determined by a habit that is exercised over and over and over again. So this is one of the 2 steps on how to get to your business idea. It's to first write down 10 strengths. 10 strengths after the definition that I was just sharing with you. So what you actually do like almost every week, something that you're continuously good at and something that you trained since years, a habit of yours. Be creative and mindful. Second, write down 5 categories of your day that you are genuinely interested in. Whatever it is. Let it be coffee, let it be makeup, let it be Instagram because you are 6 hours on Instagram or something. Whatever it is, write down 5 categories. And now think of how you can monetize one of those talents. So this is how you can overcome the first challenge for the first step, finding the idea for your future business. And when you did that important part, then the rest can follow. And if you want to know what follows after that, and if you want to found your own business, but you just don't know after you know your first step how to continue, then just follow me on Instagram and join our CEO coaching where I help you from A to Z to set up your own business. And don't forget, subscribe, turn on notification, and I see you.